In this tutorial, we will learn how to split a part in Fusion 360. So I've drawn a very basic part right here. You'll notice that I've also drawn in a sketch profile, which is on this plane here. We can see here we have a spline, where we'll use that as our splitting line. So if we head up to Modify, we have two options. We can either split faces or split bodies. So first of all, let's take a look at split face. We've got our options pop up here, so faces to split. I'm going to select these three faces here. Then under splitting tool, I'll select this profile here, and then you'll see it forms this plane. But it's only going to split the part where it intersects with the faces that I selected. So if I click OK, we can now see that these faces are now split. I'm going to go ahead and delete that, and then we're going to take a look at how to split a body. So according to our options, we have the bodies to split. So if we look under our bodies folder, we have just one body available. So let's select that. Under splitting tools, let's select the spline. And once again, we have this kind of plane according to the geometry of this spline here. So let's click OK. And now we can see that that plane has actually split the entire part. Okay, so every part is split where it intersects with that spline plane. I'm going to right click on this body here, and I'm going to apply an appearance. Go black, red on the front. And there we have it. That is how to split parts in Fusion 360. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.